Here is a quick tour of my hotel room at the Hilton Anaheim. We had an amazing time staying here. The hotel rooms are so nice, so big. One tip that I'd give you is not to touch these water bottles. We touched the water bottles during our stay and we racked up a huge fortune on just water bottles, and we realized that there was a CVS just around the corner. So I would stock up on water bottles at CVS and drink them during your stay. Also, these beds are one of the most comfortable beds I've ever slept on. You'll get a great night's sleep after a long day at the park. Another recommendation I would make is to request a theme park view room. Not that you see much of the theme park, but you do see the fireworks. They are a little bit more expensive, but not by much. So that's one thing I would change if I were to book this hotel again, which I definitely would. I would recommend staying here to anyone, especially because of the price difference. I stayed here at a fraction of the cost that I would have spent if I would have stayed on property at a Disneyland resort. It's not as magical, but the magic is just around the corner. And another tip I have is to use the first floor courtyard to cut through the hotel instead of walking around it. And I think the name is called Catella Avenue. And instead of making a right, you would make a left on Catella Avenue and walk down Disneyland Drive. It's a much more scenic route, and you have palm trees, and you go through downtown Disney instead of the main gate first. And here we have the bathroom, basic standard amenities, everything very simple and everything we needed. We didn't need anything else. We stayed here for 4 nights and each night was amazing. We're so close to the parks, less than a mile away, and the walk feels even shorter. It feels like half a mile. So we had a wonderful time. I give this a 10 out of 10 rating. Super great hotel, and I'll definitely be back.